Mr. President, on the 19th of April 2015, a delegation from the Ministry of Health traveled to Michigan in the United States, and they were led by the Director of Policy, Planning, Monitoring, and Evaluation of the Ministry, Dr. Afisa Zakaria. On their return, Dr. Zakaria filed this report I have in my hand. The main purpose of this trip was to visit some facilities in Michigan and also raise and solicit support for Ghana or for Ghana's preparedness and response to Ebola. They were hoping to galvanize support to build 10 regional infectious disease centers, rebuild a central medical stores facility in Tema, replenishment of medical supplies for the distribution center that was lost to the fire disaster, distribution of medical supplies, and also familiarize themselves with some proposals and some facilities there. In fact, Dr. Zakaria secured the buy-in of the Michigan Aerospace Manufacturers Association, and they agreed in principle to build 10 regional infectious disease centers, build and replenish a central medical store for the Ministry of Health, provide 2 ambulances for each of the 10 hospitals, and 2 helicopters. Mr. President, in that report, Dr. Zakaria also indicated that the Michigan Aerospace, I'm sorry, if I don't build this background, my question will be very meaningless. Mr. President, my question is this. You spoke about medical drones doing supplies. I am very much aware that on the 24th of August 2017, a group from the Michigan Aerospace Manufacturers Association met with you. I want to understand the status of this proposal and also what is the difference between the current drone agreement we have from this very one. Thank you, sir.
I have a major problem and liability in answering the first question. I'm not familiar with the document that you read out to me. Its contents, where's the yes, I'm not familiar with its contents. This is the first time I'm hearing it. I didn't know that such a large policy had been evolved in the past government. I have no idea about any of the things that you're saying. And these people, when they came to see me, did not refer to that at all. Yeah, so it's difficult for me to even evaluate in terms of what is being done now and what you have in your hand. No problem, no problem. All right. But is it still alive? Is the whole project still alive? I wouldn't know whether it has been brought to me. Is he here? Is he here? Azuma, uni baby, uni mo baby. Uni mo baby.
Thank you, Mr. President. I actually haven't seen that extensive document in the ministry yet, but I know about the group, a number of Ghanaians. They engaged me. I booked an appointment with His Excellency, the President. The people they said were coming included Bill Gates and the Managing Director of Aerospace. When they came, there were about 7 Ghanaians and 1 American, who was neither the MD for Aerospace nor Bill Gates. I got a bit disillusioned. When I went back, they also went away. Then they sent messages that they wanted to come to do sword cutting. And I told them that if they haven't demonstrated evidence of source of funding, I cannot lead them to deceive the people of this country. So they fizzled out, and I haven't heard from them again. Thank you, Mr. President.